equals to 17, 4 plus negative 9 equals to negative 5, and so on. So we get the answer. Then B is 4A minus 3B, which means 4 times A minus 3 times B, and then after times we get the total amount, and the total amount minus, so like 28 minus 30 we get negative 2, and the rest. So C, D plus E, which means 3 rows 3 columns plus 3 rows 3 columns, and it's very easy. So 5 plus 11 equals to 16, 7 plus negative 1 equals to 6, and so on. So the last question is D minus F. 3 rows 3 columns minus 2 rows 3 columns, and the answer is undefined because we can't minus it because there's one row missing. That's it.
Question E is metric X such that A plus 2X equal to C. The first step is rewrite back the equations, and you must make X as an unknown, like this. So in this equation, you must find C minus A. So second step is to find C minus A. To do this operation, subtract or additional, you must to make sure the matrix is a square matrix. So in this case, the post matrix is a square matrix. The square matrix should be like this. It has same dimensions, so we call it has same row and column, so we call it as a square matrix. Okay, to do subtract operations, you must minus with 5 must minus with 7 because they have same row and same column. So 5 minus 7, negative 2 minus 4, negative 2 minus with 2, negative 7 minus with 1. So you get this answer. Then third step is to find x. So we write back the equations you get from here. Then you already get C minus A, so you just put this metric into this equation. So you will get x. So you just multiply all the number in this matrix with 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 times with negative 2, you get negative 1. So this is our answer for x. Questions F, matrix Y such that T plus 3Y equal to E. So the first step you need to do is rewrite back the equations and make Y as an unknown. So it should be like this. So now Y is the unknown, so we need to find E minus D matrix first. So second step is find E minus D. So you need to make sure that this matrix post is a square matrix, so sign it has same dimensions, so you can do it. The subtract equations. This is the same, just like previous questions. So it just must be like this. So that's why you get 6 here. Because elements must start with 5, with minus with 5. And this must minus with this. So we go to third step. Third step is just put to find y. So just put back e minus t in this equation. So to find y, just multiply all this matrix with 1 over 3. So you get this answer. So 1 over 3 times 6, you get 2. And 1 over 3 times with negative 8, you get negative 8 over 3. So this is the answer for y. Okay, question G is to find A, F. So this means this is multiplication questions. First step is to check dimension. In this case, metric A is 2 by 2 metric and metric F is 2 by 3 metric. So from this operation, we will get 2 by 3 matrix. You need to check first whether this number and this number must be same. If not, it's gonna be undefined because this number is not same. Sign this matrix, we get this output. So let's find matrix AF. So second step is to solve the matrix. So signs AF must be get A11, A12, A13, and A21, A22, and A23. A11 here is mean that the number we get here is must be multiple with row 1 and column 1. So this, okay, 7 is from 7 and 4 is from row 1, and this is column 1, this is row 1. So to get A here, you must multiply all row 1 with column 1. So it can be like this. 7 with time with 7, 4 must time with 5. So this is for A11, this for A12, this is for A13, and this for A21, this is for A22, and this is for A23. Okay, so here we get AF matrix.
Question H is found E times D. The first matrix is E and the second is D. The dimension of both matrices is 3 times 3. Therefore, they can be multiplied together. First, we need to find the first row and first column. Answer is like use E first row times first column of D and get this answer 264. And the second is use the first row of E times second column of D and get 30. And the others is to like just okay. Question I is find Ft times C. Ft is transpose of F. First use F matrix and transpose it to this and use transpose of F times C and become this. Question J is D multiple with F. The first matrix is D and the second is F. The answer is undefined because the dimensions are different. Like D is 3 times 3 while F is 2 times 3. So the middle, this and this are not the same. So the answer is undefined. That's all.
The question is, let matrix P, matrix Q, matrix R find the value of a constant S such that P times Q equals to R transpose. This is the value of P. This is the matrix value of Q. This is the matrix value of R transpose. The results of matrix P times Q is in this table. We can see from this table. This is the result. Now we have to find the constant of S. 1 plus 2S plus 9 equals to matrix transpose of R equals to 40. So 2S plus 10 equals to 40. We have to move the 10 to the other. 40 minus 10 equals to find S equals to 30 divided 2 equals to 15. This is the answer. The question is, find the determinant of this matrix. A equals to A1, B1, A2, B2 equals to A1 times B2 minus A2 times with B1. From this matrix, we have to find the value. 7 times 3 minus 6 times 9 equals to 21 minus 54. Thus, the answer is negative 33. The value of determinant is negative 33. The question is, find the determinant and inverse of this matrix. First, we have to identify whether the value is positive or negative value. And then we have to find the value of all cofactors C11, C12, C13, C21, C22, C23, C31, C32, C33. Then once we find the value of all cofactors, we have to substitute in matrix of C. This is the value of matrix of the C. Then we have to find the determinant of the matrix. So A11 times C11 plus A12 times C12 plus A13 times C13. The value is negative 36. Then we have to find the value of C transpose to get the inverse value. This is the value of C transpose. Now we have to find the inverse value of this matrix. So this is the formula. We have to substitute the value of determinant then with the value of C transpose. 1 over negative 36 times with C transpose. Now the answer is this